What are your must-have spices and seasonings? Let's find out. Hey guys, so today I was like kind of seeing what all I might need to go to the store and buy, and I figured today I might take a quick video. Sorry, I'm kind of shaky today. My nerves. I have several nerve diseases, so please bear with me, and I don't have you on the tripod. So I wanted to see what I'm short of, and I figured I'd take you along to see. I do use a lot of seasonings, spices, as you can tell, and this is not all of them, but I wanted to take you along to see what all you might need to go to the store and grab for your seasons and spices pantry. So let's go through this real quick. So I use like peppermint extract. Usually I make a lot of my own, but it's good to have a backup for a backup. Like I say, 2 is 1 and 1 is none. I also have lemon extract. I do have some of my own in there too. I am making my own vanilla extract, but I do have several of these as well. These are all good for baking, like in cakes and stuff like that. Now, to me, if there's like 3 seasonings and spices that you would have to have no matter what, if things went down, it would have to be pepper. Salt is a must-have. What plain iodized or whatever. I gotta have cannon salt too, because you know I can, right? And garlic powder. You don't need the garlic salt, and you really don't need a minced onion, because I can work with that. But garlic powder. I'm trying to get it to, there we go. Because you can add salt to make garlic salt. But I do have, like, also with the minced onion, excuse me, I do have the onion powder. And if I want onion salt, I just add a little bit of salt to the onion powder. But this is some of the seasonings I have here. And spices. I do have also apple pie spice. I have cinnamon sticks I didn't pull out. I'm kind of under the weather today. I'm sorry about all this. But I really wanted to kind of bring you in. The Lighthouse is really good with the dry herbs. Like you get 2 bunches inside of the freeze-dried chives. Chili powder is good for making chili. Everglades, what's up? But yes, and crushed red pepper, a complete seasoning of your choice, some kind of barbecue seasoning. I love Kansas City style, but they were out, so bay leaves, cream of tartar, oh, you know, the Old Bay, the Creole seasoning, your seasoning salt. Pick out what your favorite seasonings are. What are your main seasonings you use? Check and see, are you running low? If you are, you might want to put that on your list real quick. And the next time you go grocery shopping, you might want to grab some, because those beans and rice get kind of old after a while. But like I said, my go-to, no matter what, was going to be the salt, the pepper, and the garlic. That's just old school. That's the old school in me. Alright guys, I just figured I'd bring you along because I wanted to make a list of what all I'm running low on. Figured I'd bring you along, give you some thoughts. Maybe you want to see something here you might want to try. Or maybe there's something you're running low on you might want to put on your list. Alright, like, subscribe, have a great day, have a great weekend. See you guys on the flip side. God bless.